Hi there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in one of my classes, a student of mine was talking about how going on holiday with her husband has become a bit of a bone of contention. Because my student loves travelling. She said she's fine with things being loose. She tends to take things as they come. She doesn't need everything to be planned in advance. Whereas her husband is a very anxious traveller. And basically, he won't go anywhere unless everything's already been planned to the nth degree. When you say to the nth degree, it basically means to the max, to the maximum, as much as is possible. So maybe you're arrested by the police, you're taken down to the police station and you're questioned to the nth degree. Maybe you work with someone who's really devoted to their job. They're dedicated to the nth degree. Maybe before you decide on something, you discuss everything to the nth degree with all of the parties involved. Over the road from me here in North London, I have a neighbour who really loves his car. He cleans it every Sunday, and he cleans it, and when he cleans it, it's going to be really spotless. Like, he cleans it 110%. It's clean to the nth degree. And at the moment, my daughter is trying to do a history project on one of the local areas around here. And she's umming and ahhing about what to write about. As I told her, you can basically take any idea, any subject, and you can research it to the nth degree. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use to the nth degree.